Today I'm going to show you how we can easily travel around Paris by purchasing a Navigo Day Pass. Navigo Day Pass is a pass that we can see here, which allows you to travel within 24 hours within 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 zones in Paris. The card is around €8.65 for 2 zones, and for 3 zones it's €11.60, as you can see here. And I'm going to show you how you are going to get the pass in a Paris metro station. It's very easy to buy this at a metro station, at a ticket vending machine, or at any selling point.
Debido a las obras, la línea 11 del metro está cerrada a todos los puntos. Para más información, consulte los avisos. Causa lavori, la linea 11 della metro è chiusa.